Hello YouTube, today I have the Bilstein Suspension PSS 14 suspension and coilovers kit. We're going to open it up and see, we're going to do an unboxing and see what's in the box. This kit weighs around 25 kilos, it's quite heavy. All the things here are the yellow. Let's see what's in here. This is the suspension. This plastic thing here. It also comes with some instructions here, you can see. These are the springs. It's hard to take it off. Some blue springs here. Oh, it's kind of tough too. This is Bilstein here. Let's put it back in. Also comes with this things here. I think it's for the top of the suspension. I'm not going to open the. I believe this is the front suspension. It comes with two of these. I guess you can see it's from metal, of course. There's a scratch here. There's the numbering here. It comes with the springs also, and this plastic thing here for dampening. And this here, you can see you can adjust the height, I believe, of this or this thing here. You can unscrew this thing here. It comes with another set. I'm not going to open the other set also. They've done a good job in packaging this thing up. It's quite heavy, as I said in the beginning, 25 kilos, the weight of the kit. And I believe we're going to give a better ride quality.